Hey, what's up everyone? This is Chris from Feldmann Imports. Today we're taking a look at a 2012 C300 4MATIC. This one's white. Under the hood's a 3-liter V6 pushing out 221 horsepower and 228 pounds of torque. For wheels, we've got 17-inch alloy wheels. Tan interior. Sunroof. Come around back, we've got a rear spoiler. C300 4MATIC badging. Clean set of floor mats. Fold down rear seats. Hopping in here, we have a nice wood trim. Memory seats, power windows. Illuminating door sill. Hopping in here, we've got our steering wheel controls. Navigation. Let's go ahead and start it up. Rear view backup camera. Our radio. Heated seats. Dual climate controls. Automatic transmission. This vehicle has 99,768 miles. If you'd like to view more photos of the C-Class, check out feldmanimports.com.